Hi everybody, welcome back to House of Miracles Learning Adventures channel. Today we will learn some cooking tools you need to know before you start cooking. Are you ready? Let's start. These are aprons. Put on an apron always before you start cooking. This is a spoon. We use it to scoop or stir the meal, as well as we eat. This is a fork. We use it when we taste food or eat. This is a knife. We use it when we cut or chop fruit and vegetables. This is a plate. We use it to serve the meal when we eat. This is a bowl. We use it to serve soup or salad. This is a pan. We use it to fry vegetables and potatoes. This is a pot. We use it to boil vegetables and eggs and cook soup. This is a mug. We use it to serve tea, hot chocolate or coffee. This is a glass. We use it to serve cold drinks like water and juice. This is a jug. We use it to serve cold drinks like lemonade and iced tea. This is a rolling pin. We use it to roll the dough. This is a chopping board. We use it to chop onions, vegetables and potatoes. This is a grater. We use it to grate onions and carrots. Hey, have you ever used these cooking tools? What did you cook with them? For more useful videos, subscribe to our channel and keep learning.